One of the things I keep on mentioning is Gallup strengths. Gallup strengths has got a philosophy. The philosophy is unlike the philosophy what our parents taught us. When you fail a subject, what do? You study that subject. You have more tuitions on it. You have more mentorship on it. But when you pass a subject, you don't know anything. So the entire philosophy of Gallup strengths is you don't focus on your weaknesses. You focus on your strengths and make them super strengths. Because nowadays, in this day and age, we can outsource. You don't have to be good at everything. What you're good at, become great at it. It may make you more curious to see what else you can do in this life. There's a strength called communication. If you have that in your top 5, they are more likely you can be more verbal with people. That means you can be more on stage, on seminars, and speak. You have a better advantage. It's not that you are top in it, but if you have that strength, that means you go study for communication in and out, and you'll be very, very good at it. So I'm giving you an indication, do your strengths and explore it.